I'm Brittany Lewis with Forbes Breaking News. During her weekly press briefing on Friday, House Speaker Nancy Pelosi reacted to the Supreme Court's decision to overturn Roe v. Wade. The ruling paves the way for abortion to be largely outlawed in likely half of states. The House Speaker promised Democrats, quote, "have a goal and we have a plan to achieve it." Take a listen in as the California Democrat explains.
Just one more bit to this.
There are probably millions of Americans out there who are angered, saddened by this decision, who feel very helpless, but they can't do anything about it. What's your advice to them about what they should be doing?
Well, I think that, again, it's always about the outside mobilization is the most important part of any success that we can have on an issue. I say this all the time. Every week I have a big mobilization, a Zoom, and I say, you are our VIPs, our volunteers in policy, our volunteers in politics. Inside maneuvering can only take you so far. Outside mobilization makes all the difference in the world. So I do think that women have to know, and those who care about women have to know that their voice, to know their power, to know the power of mobilization, to make their voices heard to their elected officials. Nothing is more eloquent to a member of Congress than the voice of his or her own constituents. And so they have to make their voices heard. But there is a plan, and that plan is to win the election, hopefully to get 2 more senators so that we can change the obstacles to passing laws for the good of our country. And one of the most encouraging things for me that happened right after the inauguration of the former occupant, occasionally, of the White House was the day after that inauguration, that horrible speech, horrible speech. The day after the inauguration, women around the country marched. They marched, and it wasn't politically planned. It was organic. People just came forth in large numbers all over the country, and women marched, women ran for office, women voted, and we took back the House. We have to have something commensurate with that. But again, the organic nature of it, that it was spontaneous, that it sprang from community. We have a plan. We have a plan, and we have we have a goal, and we have a plan to achieve it. So they should be and take advantage of that opportunity, because otherwise you'll have the criminalization. They're talking about trying doctors for murder who terminate a pregnancy, and it might be something that is rape, incest, or anything like that as well. This is extremism to the nth degree. And I think it's the power of women will be felt very strongly in this. I'm going to have to go to the floor now because this is historic. We're so proud of this legislation. Again, we don't judge it for what it doesn't do, but respect it for what it does. And what it does are good things that can save people's lives. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you all.